So I'm going to show today how GoTab and meez work together. Just to give you the lay of the land here on my screen, on the left side here, I have screen mirroring of a Samsung tablet that's being used as a GoTab task display system. It's just an 8-inch tablet. The idea here would be that would be in your kitchen as a task display for people to be able to see recipes. In the middle here, I have the GoTab kitchen display system, or KDS. And then on the right side of my screen, I just have the guest experience through their phone. So we're going to just go ahead and place a quick order here to show you how this works. So I'm going to select some of the marinated pork belly. I'm going to go ahead and order that. Get that order started so it pops up here on our kitchen display. And then the way this works is, in order to pull that up on the task display, obviously you can see there's some buttons there that you could do it manually, but once your menu gets pretty extensive, we've wired this up. So all you have to do is, on the kitchen display, do a long press or a long tap on the marinated pork belly, and it will display that in the task display system. So I've gone ahead and done that long tap on that item, and you'll see here the task display jumps over to meez with the prep and cooking method for that pork belly. So this is something that for either new kitchen staff who don't know the recipe yet, or just if you want to be able to make sure that every item is prepared the same across multiple locations, meez is a great way to do this. When we're done with that recipe, we can just hit the back button on that Android tablet. My display's a little, my screen mirroring is a little slow there, but you can see it pops back to the main screen. Again, just a simple long press will take us back to that marinated pork belly there. So again, the task display system is a way for the kitchen to be able to have one or more of these devices, and you can have them wired up to, an individual KDS or multiple different KDSs with different task displays, so that we can display those recipes. I get questions now and again about, why have a separate task display system? Why not just pop that up on the kitchen display, which we can do. But the idea here is, a lot of times that's going to hijack the kitchen display, and you're going to have something over top of the incoming items, and then you're going to miss new items that are coming in. So the idea here is to keep that on a separate piece of real estate, so we're not hogging that up. Given the fact that tablets are so inexpensive these days, it makes it pretty simple to go ahead and do that. So that's just my quick introduction here to what GoTab does with meez. You can reach out to me for more information, rick@gotab.io, and I can put you in touch with the good folks over at meez to show exactly what their system is capable of. And their website is www.getmeez.com, and that is MEEZ. Thank you, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.